I'm Aldrin Gomes, a professor of physiology at the University of California, Davis. And I study, together with people in my lab, how everyday chemicals and drugs in the environment can affect our health. My research is part of a big project funded by the National Institute of Health to figure out how these chemicals in our environment impact us and how we can remove them from the environment more effectively. Here's something interesting. Did you know that one of the most commonly used medicines in the world, ibuprofen, which is the main ingredient in Advil, can end up in our rivers and groundwater? Because of that, it makes it an environmental chemical. What we know is that when people take ibuprofen regularly, they have a higher risk, about 3 times higher, of having a stroke. In my laboratory, we have discovered that ibuprofen causes stress inside cells, which could explain some of these risks. But it's not just about being hazardous to people. When ibuprofen gets into the soil, it can actually slow down how fast plants grow, which can affect our whole ecosystem. That's why it's so essential to understand what these chemicals do and to stop them from getting into our water systems. If the federal funding is reduced or eliminated, we'll not be able to do this critical research to determine the effect of these different chemicals in the environment on our health. Without research like this, we won't fully understand how these substances in our soil, lakes, and groundwater are impacting us, or how they impact plants and animals. This research is all about finding ways to keep both Americans and America healthy.